might be curious today that why Indian markets fall. The news is positive, right? BJP wins in Delhi. It is a positive news. So market has to go up, but why market is not moving and market is heading towards low? Why is that? The reason is that today in the morning, rupee fall badly, right? And that is the reason our Indian markets fall as well, right? If you just check rupee, right, if you see from 9:30 to 11, rupee fall by 1 rupee, right? सो एक रुपए कभी भी दिन में इतना जल्दी नहीं गिरता, और वो सडनली जब हो जाता है देन मार्केट स्टार्टेड फॉलिंग, राइट? बिकॉज हमारे पैसे की जो वैल्यू है वो कम हो गई थी, एंड उसके बाद सडनली आरबीआई को जो है इसको मैनेज करना होता है, राइट? सो आरबीआई टेक सम व्हाट पोजीशंस, और लेट्स से सम इंस्टीट्यूशन टेक सम पोजीशंस, सो दैट्स व्हाई वो जो है वो वापस थोड़ा बहुत हमें रिकवरी वहां पे देखने मिली. अब इसी के साथ नाउ आई वांट टू टेल यू वन थिंग इज कि news is positive, right? BJP wins in Delhi, right? Budget is good, rate cut is good, quarterly earnings are also good, but still we have not seen any changes on the markets. Market is still falling. What is the reason behind that? The reason behind that is कि अब मार्केट्स जैसे ही यहाँ से बेसिकली अब चेंज हो गए, अब जैसे जैसे इसमें चेंजेस होते जाएंगे और जिस तरीके से इसके चेंजेस की इफेक्ट इकोनॉमी के ऊपर पड़ेगी और वापस इकोनॉमी में है जो कैश आना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, राइट? वापस इकोनॉमी में सारी अच्छाई जो चीज़ें मार्केट्स एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी वो होनी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. देन मार्केट्स हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स न्यू हाई, राइट? एज ऑफ नाउ आई डोंट सी कि यहाँ से मार्केट जो है ऊपर जा सकते हैं, या आई डोंट सी कि यहाँ से मार्केट्स में और कोई पॉजिटिव ट्रेंड जो है वो आ सकता है, राइट? I see only negative things on the markets. The overall trend of the markets is negative. And with that, if you see the option writers data as well, so the total OI in the Nifty is on the call side, right? The overall option writer view as in the negative. If you check the change in OI, right, still is a negative. So the option writers has a negative view in the markets if you just talk about the Nifty. And if we check the put call ratio as well, so the put call ratio, I think it's a change in OI only. Let me shift to the put call ratio. So the put call ratio is around at 6, or let's say at 6 only. So still it's a negative, right? It's below 1. So it's a negative. Then we can check the advance and decline ratio. So if you see all the indices is in a negative, right? So I don't see any possibility as of now that Indian markets can turn the trend in something, right? So the overall trend is negative, market is negative, FIs are selling, right? Retail traders are exiting from their current shares or something, right? And with that, if you just check the FIs DIS data, then FIs sold today 2,400 crore, right? FIs continuous selling, right? Not even a single day FIs bought. One day FIs bought around 900 crore, and next day FIs sold around 5,000 crore something. So it is just a trap or something. But DI is a continuous buying, not buying कि जितना FIs बेच रहे हैं बट उससे थोड़ा सा लिमिटेशन में बाय कर रहे हैं. सो यू हैव टू चेक दैट कि ये सारी चीजें देख के आपको एक क्लियर आइडिया आ जाना चाहिए कि मार्केट्स का जो मूड है वो नेगेटिव है. डोंट टेक कॉन्ट्रा ट्रेड्स. डोंट थिंक अबाउट कि मैं एक बड़ा ट्रेंड जो है वो कैप्चर कर लूंगा. फॉरगेट अबाउट दैट. सेव योर मनी. इट इज द टाइम नॉट टू ट्रेड or take selling position or take shorting positions on the markets, right? And with that, if you just check the Nifty chart or Bank Nifty chart, Bank Nifty is trading below 200 EMA and 50 exponential moving averages. According to me, it's a negative, right? And the important level on the Bank Nifty is 49,700 something. If the Bank Nifty is breaking that level, it means Bank Nifty go further more down, and we can see a more let's say negativeness on the Bank Nifty, right? So if now we're jumping into the Nifty, so Nifty also trading below 220 EMA, 250 exponential moving averages. The important level on the Nifty is 23,300 something. If and today itself he has closed below that level. So according to me, Bank Nifty and Nifty both are in negative zone. So I hope in today's video you like it, and I have try something different, because more people are saying me that please make videos on English. So that's why I have tried English plus Hindi, right? But if you want some changes, you can comment down below. I can change completely into the Hindi, or else because now the regulation is completely changed. SEBI asked that don't share your profit and loss statement, or else don't tell that कि कल ये होगा, ये हो सकता है, या डोंट से एनीथिंग कि जिससे ये लगे कि आप लोगों को टिप्स या एडवाइजरी सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो. एंड ऑनेस्टली माय मोटिव इज नॉट दैट to give you any sort of tips or give you any sort of advisory services, because I myself as know कि in the future then options, most of the time if you take advice from the wrong people, you will lose money, right? I am witness and I know that's the thing that happen with the people. So I hope you like today's video. Till then, keep learning, keep earning, and keep making money from the stock market. Have a good day. Bye bye.